My first experience with confined space airway management was in a helicopter. Patient resuscitated after cardiac arrest began to disagree with the laryngeal mask. I took it out, intubated quite uneventfully with a video laryngoscope, put in an IV line and proceed to hospital. It's not something we do every day, which the expression of on the face of the paramedic may indicate. But it kind of went well. I was happy. The paramedic looked relaxed, and the patient even gave me a high five, or a thumbs up at least. Few take-home messages. I advise that you do advanced airway management when in the hospital. Practice on the patients is not a nice expression, but at least train different positioning and different use of the known equipment. And acknowledge that sometimes the best airway management is no airway management. Know your equipment, use the same kit dump every time. Consider accepting to do advanced airway management in flight, en route, and practice in-cabin intubation when during downtime at your service.